Good morning.
How are y'all? Oh no, not the big helmet.
No, it's even.
With the flip Jeep and everything.
Awesome. Put that thing on.
Oh boy, Gary's good.
So it's a new day. Heading down to Pearl. Tim had Barb grab some tranny fluid, antifreeze. We didn't have much movement with Gary's Jeep last night, so we're gonna get her all topped off and hopefully get her up and running and driving here shortly. There he is right there, the honey badger himself. And this is the scene of the crime right here. So looking at it during the day, so basically Gary had come around this way and he swung too wide. And once his passenger front tire got over this is where he rolled right there. If he would have made a sharper turn, passenger, he would have just basically avoided this. Instead, he was way up on this right here, and that is a good 3.5 foot, 90-degree ledge right there.
I break mirrors when I just get in my Jeep.
All right, so we got a funnel, we got our transmission fluid. Just going to top that off. What would you say? It was down a quart still?
I think it only needs one more quart.
Yep.
I don't know.
So this is the side that took the shot. This mirror is broke. It's just kind of sitting there. A-pillar took a good one. I think, a little bit right here, I guess, huh?
Oh yeah, push the tub in. Look.
Yeah, so
and
it's
like bent the fender here.
Oh yeah, that got bent right there, and this is the biggest.
Yeah.
This is starting to look like financial disaster now.
Yes, it is. Like I said,
That's what Gary said. Maybe it's time to just take a Sawzall to the body and turn this thing into a buggy. But no, it's still not so bad. Considering it was a 3.5, 4 foot fall, this thing don't look so bad.
Hey, Sammy. Not much, brother. How are you? Why?
Yeah, this high lift jack.
I know, bud.
This is what took his hood out right here. Right here. That's where his hood was. Really hoping she's going to start, of course, because it's already been running. Just really hoping that it drives. Yeah. Plus, once he gets on some level ground, all right, thank God it's freaking driving. Did it just miss? Yeah. It started slipping? So transmission slipping like crazy. We're still not on really level ground, but we do want to recheck. I might need more. Hopefully that's all. Feels okay, huh? You had instantaneous reverse. Nice, nice. Just needed one more quart. Great news. So,
Now you know it doesn't run. It's down.
so basically, he ended up putting 4 quarts. He had lost 4 quarts of tranny fluid while he was tipped over on his side.
They need more.
And looks like she's driving good now. So great news for Gary. Bill is a camping expert, and he's just giving Dwayne some help there, trying to figure out how to put that slinky away.
I enjoyed all of it, but Rubicon was freaking awesome. I mean, it was
Hey, Bill, get out of the way. I'm trying to film this. Thank you.
in the rock.
Hey, that's not fun. That's not fun, man.
And then,
He's got it. He's got it. Quick, get a tie wrap on that thing.
then we got to Colorado.
All right, here we are at the V-Notch. And you can see things are really flattened out, boy. All this crazy grass coming right behind you. Wild Bill. Look at that. Pearl right back at it. No problem. Frickin' crawled that beautiful. Wow. Nice way to start. You almost got it if you go hard passenger. It's driver shock mount. Same thing, brother. That freaking, you got a rock there and you just keep hitting that. Beautiful.
Looks like they came this way, right?
Yeah.
Driving through the woods
Yeah,
here.
it's Dwayne sniffing out a trail, I guess. Wow. What the hell is this?
What are we doing?
God.
Holy shit, what do we got?
From Parrish. Wow.
Can't see.
Oh yeah. Look at that. All right, put us back up on the main line. Yep. Wow. There we go. Straight around. Man. you're gonna come up here a little bit on your passenger side, yeah? Okay. All right. Yeah, real slow, man, real slow. Woo, my God. Jeez. Okay, careful now, careful. Wow. What do you think?
That's great.
Oh my God. Oh, he got this last time. Oh no, he did that one over there. Yeah. Yeah, so Dwayne's being a little aggressive here. This is the line that Tim did last night. Absolutely sick. No way. Rear diff. No, he did that one.
He did that last night. No.
There it is. Oh my God. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. Nice try.
You want to change your shorts? Yeah, but you got to stay a little more this way because you went a little too far that way.
Yeah.
Yep. Stay driver a little bit.
Front diff, front diff.
Rear diff.
Your locker.
Yeah, your rear locker wasn't on.
His front locker wasn't on either.
Driver.
Oh my God, it's just, oh, it's the going down part. He almost had that. Oh, jeez.
That's enough.
I hate it when you get in these moods. That's enough.
Roll brothers. Give me a break.
Yeah, you did this one yesterday. There you go, Adam. Just get lined up on it nice and square. Yeah, there you go. Little passenger. Okay, get ready for the drop off here. You're going to hit that rock we put in there. That's helping you. Yeah, looking good. Nice. Very nice.
What's that metal thing? Oh, that's it's a different. You're going to drop both axles simultaneously. Nailed it.
Outstanding, Adam.
Easy now, Adam. Slow, buddy. Nice and slow. A little more. There you go. Perfect.
Yeah, this is a hell of an obstacle. Yes. You went up this twice, once during the day and once at night.